everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Thank you for clicking on it. I appreciate it. Today, on today's episode, in today's video, we're heading back up to one of my favorite off-roading and camping spots here in Alberta. And this time I'm actually not alone. This time I've got a buddy of mine with me. And it's gonna be amazing. He's got almost a brand new Bronco that he wants to try out. He put some brand new wheels on it, and so yeah, it's gonna be much more fun. It's a lot more fun when you're with somebody else, especially when you're off-roading and things and stuff like that, because you don't have to worry about getting stuck as much or getting flat or something going wrong. It's because you have somebody else there with you that can literally pull you out the mud. The drive is about another 40 minutes. I'm just gonna meet him here at one of these, one of the Walmarts up here. We're gonna buy some wood, last couple things. We'll check out the rigs, and then we're gonna head out there. It's pretty late-ish, like it's 4:45 at the moment. Sun doesn't go down until 9. Last time that I went by myself, I think I got there around 9:30 or 8:30, sorry. But the problem is, today is a Saturday, and it's a beautiful weekend. It's, I'd say, one of the most beautiful weekends we've had all season, or the first beautiful weekend we've had all season. And so I know that a lot of people are going to be out there. A lot of people are going to be very eager to be camping and off-roading. So it's going to be a little bit more hectic. Hopefully we do find a spot. But yeah, I'm a little bit more prepared in the back. I've got some curtains this time. I've got some more stuff to cover the truck. I've got a tarp because I think we're going to be getting a little bit of rain tomorrow. And I've got some better food. Everything's looking up. Everything's looking really good. So I'll see you guys when we get to the Walmart. Great, so I picked up my buddy, picked up everything I needed for lunch tomorrow at Walmart, and we're heading out now. We even got walkie-talkies this time. That's gonna be really cool. Making our way down to the highway that leads to the trailhead. It's a beautiful day. It's just gorgeous out here. Just gorgeous. My buddy's here behind me, and looks like today's gonna be an amazing day. Hopefully we find some good camp spots, because it is quite late in the day and there's gonna be lots of people, but also lots of people coming back home. Not everybody's there to camp. So we're gonna see, and we're gonna hope. This is what it's all about. Good to go. We got fire. Oh, and we even got the table up now. There we go. Can't ask for anything better than that. This is what we got for dinner. Let's sauce it in here. Oh yeah, look at that.
Cheers.
Cheers. Tapping tips right there. Dinner's almost ready. Look at that. I'm excited. There we go. We even got marshmallows going now. Makeshift sticks. That's what works the best. All right, so we're in the truck bed. We've made some modifications that I'm really happy about. I got some pod lights. I just got one, but it's good enough and actually brightens it up a bunch. If I had like 2 or 3, I think it'd be really good. We've got a mattress on top of my bed, and so it's a lot less room, but oh my god, is it a lot more comfortable. We've got more window covers, so now actually everything is covered and sealed a lot better. In fact, it's actually quite warm in here. I'm quite happy. There's still a little bit of airflow, once again to allow that moisture from my breath to exit a little bit, and just to kind of keep some fresh air coming in. It's always kind of good. And I've got my heater ready to go. Maybe I'll turn it on for a few minutes now, just to kind of warm things up a little bit. I've got some movies on my iPad. I've got my walkie-talkie if I need anything. I've got my food, and my phone is charged, which is great. So I think we're gonna have an amazing sleep, and I can't wait. I'm standing here or laying here, and it's starting to get really noisy outside. I think the wind is really starting to pick up, and I think we're gonna get a little bit of rain. I put a tarp up, but I only put like 2 or 3 pieces of Scotch tape because for some reason I didn't think about the wind. I only thought about the rain. I don't know if that you picked that up on video. I think I may need to tape it a little bit more. We'll see. Gonna let the heater run a little bit. A few minutes. I have a window cracked. And yeah, but it's nice in here now. I'm really liking it. So it's really coming along. I'm actually watching the first few episodes of this new show on Paramount Plus. It's called Mobland. I'm sure some of you have already seen it. So far, quite liking it. This is it's kind of right up my alley, so pretty good stuff. Good morning, everybody. My headache is basically gone. I don't want to jinx it, but it's a lot better. I got a brand new heater, or like a brand new gas tank on the heater, so it's really powerful now. It's nice. It's really nice. I'm watching a little bit of Netflix, and because I don't think my buddy's up yet either. It's 8:30. I don't want to get out until at least 9. So it's 9:20. I think my headache's a little bit better, but it's still not gone. But I think it's time to get some breakfast going. All right, this is what we woke up to this morning. We got a little bit of snow. We got a little bit of rain. It's a little bit of everything. It's chilly this morning, though. It's legitimately quite chilly. So we'll see. I'm looking at this other trail for us to kind of get back, and I think this is going to be even easier. Yeah, this is definitely going to be even easier. That's our way home over down there. Camp's up there, as you can see. But first and foremost, let's get a fire going and some coffee going. All right, so what do we got here for breakfast this morning?
We got some bacon.
Yeah, pro tip, if you throw a little bit of grease into the fire, it'll turn right on.
But let's see what happens when we do that. Actually, just get in here close.
Let's see here. Okay, go for it. And now you know. And then we got a little coffee with 33% cream. For a second there, I thought you lost your eyebrow.
Holy.
Okay, so for the plan for today, we're gonna finish up our breakfast, finish up our coffees.
Start ripping some mud.
There you go. That's the best way to put it. We're gonna start ripping some mud. There's some really nice trails on the way back. We're gonna stop in a few, see if we can't get stuck, which we will. That'll be awesome. I got a check engine light on my truck. We'll see if somehow that turned off. Maybe it was just the mud, but it probably has to be like reset, so it's probably gonna be on. It is what it is. But it is officially snowing now, like really snowing. This is the aftermath
of a grease burn. Uncontrolled.
If you're ever doubting whether or not you need to put wax on your vehicles, guess which panels I put wax on and which ones I didn't. This is shiny. This isn't even like, oh, okay, it's not very... No, like this is full on clean. This is like it just came out of the car wash. How's the coffee tasting?
Fucking great.
Oh, yeah.
Made by my boy. Homemade. Little cream.
Oh, yeah.
POVs.
All right. Last pieces of bacon on today's trip, and then we're hitting the trails. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Cheers. That was the best one.
That was.
That was the best one.
Yeah.
We have to go back up that huge hill that we did. And
Big
then
boy.
that big boy hill that somehow my truck made it up. At that point, we're going to be heading back east on the main road. We're just going to hop into a couple of them. We're going to try it out. We're going to see how much we like them. It's really snowing now. Oh my gosh. Just waiting for the cars to warm up. And we're about to head out. Oh, I know. Like, these cars are smiling right now. Over. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are heading home now. Officially, we did a little bit of exploring. We did some more trails, which was really nice. But it is officially time to head home. We found some more possible trails, which I really want to try out one of these days. But unfortunately, I do have work this afternoon, believe it or not. And I want to go home and I want to shower. And I also want to have time to kind of test out this check engine light and see if it's not anything serious. Anyways. We'll see you when I'm on the highway. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we are almost into town here. We're on the main highway. It's raining today. It's really raining. We're gonna stop. We're gonna grab a little coffee at Timmy's. We've got the time, so might as well. Just gonna enjoy it, kind of share some pictures, share some videos. I always love that part of the trip. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. I'm just gonna be filming more and more and more and more, and hopefully the videos get better and better. So we're gonna see. Anyways, Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.